On July 12, 2022, it was a day when NASA revealed some photos taken by the James Webb Telescope at 10 o'clock in the morning. Among these was an image of the galaxy cluster SMACS0723, showing galaxies that were formed and destroyed over 4.6 billion years ago. These pictures raise an interesting question: can we really see our past through this telescope? Welcome to the first video of our channel, Ecovers. The first question that comes to mind is, why do we need the James Webb Space Telescope when we already have the Hubble? The answer lies in their capabilities. While Hubble is incredible at capturing visible and ultraviolet light, the James Webb is designed to observe the universe in infrared. This is crucial because as the universe expands, the light from distant galaxies shifts into the infrared spectrum, making it invisible to Hubble. Webb's advanced infrared sensors allow it to see much farther back in time, to the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. It's not just an upgrade. It's a completely new way of looking at the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope is a global collaboration involving over 10,000 scientists, engineers, and technicians from 14 different countries, led primarily by NASA in the United States, along with significant contributions from the European Space Agency (ESA). Its components were developed and tested across multiple continents. The iconic 6.5-meter gold-coated mirror was built in the US. One of the most striking features of the James Webb Space Telescope is its massive gold-coated mirror. But why gold? Gold is an excellent reflector of infrared light, the type of light Webb is designed to observe. Infrared light holds the key to seeing the most distant galaxies and stars, but to capture it effectively, the telescope's mirrors need to reflect as much light as possible without absorbing it. Gold does this better than almost any other material. The coating is incredibly thin, just 100 nanometers thick, about 1/10,000th the width of a human hair, so it doesn't add unnecessary weight. This thin layer of gold allows Webb to observe faint light from billions of years ago with unparalleled precision, unlocking the secrets of the early universe. To answer this question, that can we see our past, we have to answer, how do we see objects? We see object when the light from a light source falls on object, and then it enters in our eyes. Due to this effect, we can see objects. Light travels at an incredible speed, about 300,000 kilometers per second. That means the light we see from an object doesn't reach us instantly. It takes time to travel. Take the moon, for example. The moon is about 384,400 kilometers away from Earth. Light from the moon takes about 1.3 seconds to reach us, meaning we're always seeing the moon as it was 1.3 seconds ago. Now let's look at Jupiter. Jupiter is much farther, at an average distance of 778 million kilometers from Earth. Light from Jupiter takes about 43 minutes to reach us, which means when we see Jupiter, we're seeing it as it was 43 minutes ago. If it gets destroyed, we will be able to see 43 minutes later. These examples show how the farther an object is from us, the older the version we see. This is the foundation of how telescopes like the James Webb allow us to see deep into the universe's past, because the light from distant galaxies has been traveling for billions of years to reach us. So the answer is yes, we can see the past. This was the very first image released by the James Webb Space Telescope on July 12, 2022. It is a stunning view of the galaxy cluster SMACS0723, showing thousands of galaxies, some over 4.6 billion years old. The Carina Nebula image reveals a star-forming region in incredible detail. It shows massive, colorful clouds of gas and dust resembling cliffs and is teeming with young stars. The nebula is about 7,600 light-years away. This shows how small we are and our Earth as compared to the universe. And how big is the universe? We would only be able to see this much of the past with the help of James Webb Telescope, which costs around $10 billion, and a fact that the work on James Webb Telescope begins in year 1996 and was launched in 2021. Its estimated budget at staring was around $500 million, and its real budget was $10 billion, which is a significant amount of money. If you were allowed to see the past, which era would you see, and why? Comment down below. Till then, take care and must see our next video. Bye.